PSLE Science 2023 Booklet A Question 1. Let's read the question together. What is one effect of deforestation? Let us define what is deforestation. Deforestation is to decrease the number of forests worldwide. Therefore, what is the one effect of deforestation? Let's take a look at each option and eliminate the wrong answers. One says there'll be more types of plants and animals. That's not true because there should be a decrease in number of plants and animals. Option 2 says increase in carbon dioxide. This is true because when there are trees, the trees will take in carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis. Hence, when there is a decrease in number of forests, there will be an increase in carbon dioxide. Therefore, the answer is option 2. But let's take a look at other options and eliminate the wrong keywords. Option 3 says, deforestation will cause an increase in oxygen. This is not true because when there are lesser trees, lesser oxygen will be produced. Option 4 says there will be lower in temperature. Also, this is not true because more carbon dioxide will be produced, and carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which results in global warming. Thus, it will increase the temperature. Therefore, cross out the keyword lower and cross out option 4. Therefore, the answer to question 1 is 2. Question 2. Which group of organisms has a 3-stage life cycle? Let us recall, what does a 3-stage life cycle consist of? A 3-stage life cycle consists of egg, which grows into young, and the young will grow into adult. While a 4-stage life cycle consists of egg that grows into a larva, that grows into pupa, and grows into adult. So let's take a look at each option. Option 1 says beetle, chicken, and frog. Beetle has a 4-stage life cycle. Therefore, option 1 is wrong. Cross out the keyword beetle, cross out option 1. Option 2, chicken, frog, and grasshopper. All of these animals have 3-stage life cycle. Therefore, the answer to question 2 is option 2. But let's take a look at options 3 and 4 and cross out the wrong keyword. Option 3 shows a butterfly. Butterfly has 4-stage life cycle, so cross that out. And option 4 also shows a beetle. Cross that out as well. Hence, the answer is option 2. Question 3. Study the following structures. Structures R and S help the seeds to... Let's study the structures R and S. Structure R shows many hair that forms parachute-like structure. Structure S shows a wing-like structure. Both of these are ways in which seeds adapt to be dispersed. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 4, disperse. But let's take a look at the remaining options and write down which part of the plants carry out those processes. Option 1, obtain sunlight, is the function of leaves. Option 2, obtain water, is the function of roots. Option 3, germinate, is the process whereby a seed grows into a young seedling, whereby the roots will grow first, followed by the shoots. So cross out option 3 as well. Hence, the answer to this question is option 4. Question 4. The diagram shows the digestive system. Which graph correctly shows the amount of undigested food leaving each organ A, B, C, D, E, and E after a heavy meal? Let's first recall where are the parts in which digestion occur. Digestion takes place starting from the mouth, followed by the stomach, and digestion ends in the small intestine. Therefore, the amount of undigested food leaving the mouth should be the most. Now let's take a look at our graphs and identify the graph that shows the amount of undigested food being the greatest at A. Therefore, we're going to cross out options 1 and 2. And we are left with options 3 and 4. After the mouth, the undigested food will move down the gullet, which is at B. Hence, the amount of undigested food leaving the gullet should be the same as the amount of undigested food leaving the mouth. Therefore, cross out option 3 that shows that lesser undigested food at point B. Hence, the answer to this question is option 4. Question 5. The table shows how animals can be grouped. The diagram shows animal X. Which group does animal X belong to? Looking at the keywords given to us, beak, feathers, and webbed feet, these keywords show that animal X belongs to the group birds. And birds lay eggs, they don't give birth. Therefore, we're going to cross out options A and C that show the animal gives birth. We are left with B and D. Birds with webbed feet can swim. Hence, cross out option D. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 2. Question 6. The graph shows the number of bacteria P and Q at different temperatures. Which temperature is the most suitable for both bacteria P and Q to grow? We need to find the point of intersection between graph P and graph Q. We can easily see the point of intersection here. And student, please draw out dotted lines that leads to the temperature, and we can easily read off the temperature as 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the most suitable temperature for both bacteria P and Q to grow. Answer is option 3. Question 7. George wrapped and tied a black plastic bag around parts of a green plant as shown. Some of the leaves are exposed to light. Food produced by the exposed leaves is transported to where? This question is testing on water carrying tubes and food carrying tubes. Recall, food is transported by the food carrying tubes. Hence, eliminate options 1 and 4 that show water carrying tubes. And food made in the leaves is transported to all parts of the plants. Hence, it is not just transported downwards. Cross out option 2. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 3.